Are you thinking about moving to Port St. Lucie but unsure whether a condo lifestyle or a single family home is a better fit? Today, we're taking a close look at the Evergreen condominium community right here in the 34952 zip code. And then we're going to go to some nearby neighborhoods of single family homes. Plus, we need to talk about the big change coming to this area, the brand new soccer stadium being built right on US 1 and Walton Road. There are definitely pros and there are definitely cons. Let's get into it. I'm Dana Feliciano. I'm here with my business partner, Peggy Ganger, and we are realtors with Keller Williams Realty here on the Treasure Coast. If you enjoy videos about living, working, and playing here in the Treasure Coast, be sure to hit the subscribe and tap that bell so you don't miss anything. So first up is the Evergreen community here in Port St. Lucie. This is a well-kept condominium community known for its convenient location. It's close to shopping, dining, hospitals, and let's not forget the beautiful beaches. If you're looking for something with low maintenance, this is where Evergreen really shines. Your landscaping, exterior maintenance, roof, trash, all in your HOA. It's a lock and go kind of thing, whether it's a full-time resident here, part-time living, Evergreen gives you that option here. Typical condo sizes, 1 to 2 bedroom units here. The vibe here, it's peaceful, walkable, close to everything. Again, you're really close to US 1, shopping, restaurants, medical facilities, and the turnpike. Price ranges in here right now are from $170,000 to $230,000. Median sales price has been around $155,000. The pros of living here in Evergreen: low maintenance living, more affordable entry point for home ownership, community amenities, and it's a great option for downsizing or seasonal living. Now, a couple of the cons. You're in an HOA, which means those have monthly fees. There are restrictions, so you have to make sure that you don't have a truck. There's no motorcycles allowed, and there are some pet restrictions. So there are a couple of cons when you want to live in an HOA community. First up on our tour today, we are in the Evergreen community here in Port St. Lucie. This is a condominium complex here right on US 1. So right now we're in a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo. It's listed at $175,000, brand new interior paint and new flooring throughout. It's really affordable and it gives you that first-time home buyer advantage, maybe make it more affordable. But again, it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo listed at $175,000. Peggy's gonna give you a short little tour of the place so you can get an idea of the layout. Giving you a little driving tour of the River Park community in Port St. Lucie. This is East Port St. Lucie, close to US 1, the beaches, shopping, dining. You can see smaller CBS ranch homes here, no HOA. You have your privacy to do what you'd like. Now let's compare Evergreen to the single family home neighborhoods around the 34952 zip code. Here you'll find a good mix of newer and older homes, CBS ranch style type homes, and some updated mid-sized properties. If privacy and personal space matters to you, single family homes are definitely the clear advantage. A couple of pros: more interior space in the condominium and exterior space as well. Ability to personalize and renovate your own private yard for pets, gardening, kids, or entertaining, and no shared walls. A couple of cons: you are responsible for all the maintenance and repairs. Landscaping and exterior upkeep is on your budget. Price points can be a little higher than condos depending on the size and condition. Let's take a look inside. Hello, second neighborhood today. We are in River Park in Port St. Lucie, very close to US 1. Again, it'll be close to that soccer stadium on Walton Road. Right now, what's nice about River Park, there are no HOA fees here, so you have more space and availability and freedom to do what you like. Come take a look at this home. It's for $289,000 on Arbor Avenue in Port St. Lucie. Renovated on the inside, fresh interior paint, ceramic tile floors, and wait till you see this gorgeous updated kitchen too. It's a really nice floor plan. $289,900 homeownership. Look at this. Really nice open concept kitchen, stainless steel appliances, granite counters, new cabinets. Yeah, overlook your private backyard, enclosed porch. You have a dining area off of the kitchen. It's a really nice home. Again, $289 for a 2-bedroom, 1-bath in Port St Lucie with no HOA. Oh, the possibilities of homeownership. So this is where lifestyle becomes the real deciding factor. Evergreen offers convenience and simplicity. Single-family homes offer independence and space. There's no right answer. It's about how you want to live day to day. Now let's talk about the new soccer stadium being built here in Port St Lucie, right along US 1 and Walton Road. This is going to bring energy, entertainment, and visitors to the area. For some residents, this is exciting. It can support local businesses, create event-based things to do, and elevate the community profile here. A new 6,000 square feet professional soccer stadium is planned for Port St Lucie at Walton Road. It will be the home of the United Soccer League. It has right now one men's team called the Port St Lucie Sports Club, with the women's team expected to follow. The stadium is scheduled to be completed in time for the men's team to begin playing in 2027. Potential pros for the stadium being built: increased dining, retail, and entertainment in the area, a boost to the local economy and job opportunities, higher visibility and interest in Port St Lucie. Now, some of the potential cons: traffic congestion, especially on game days, noise consideration depending on the proximity of the stadium to your home. So depending on where you're located in 34952, this could be a benefit or a lifestyle adjustment. If you love being near the action, it could be a huge plus. If you prefer quiet, you may want to look at pockets of different neighborhoods set further back within natural buffers, if you would. So whether evergreen condo lifestyle is speaking to you, or you're leaning more towards the privacy of a single family home, Port St Lucie has something for everyone on every type of budget. And with the new stadium on the way, this area is definitely one to watch. If you want help deciding which lifestyle might be the best fit for you, or if you'd like a list of available homes in the area, please reach out to Peggy and myself. We'd be happy to help. And this is the future home of the stadium.